Today, I have a tool spotlight for you. This is from Orion Motor Tech and is a bearing and seal driver. I need to take this cover off of my 12 valve to get powder coated. So there's a seal on there. This is the perfect tool for the job. Let me show you what comes in the kit. This is a 9-piece seal and bearing driver. Comes with the handle right there. Nice aluminum knurled grip. 81 mil all the way down to 39. Working with, I'm gonna go ahead and pound this seal out. One fits on there pretty nice. Nice little beveled edge. These are all nicely labeled with OMT and the size for each one on there. Hammer, cross your fingers and toes. And that's it, that's all she wrote. Slightly smaller one in, like that. And just hammer it through. That seal's seen better days. Just for giggles, we can go ahead and put this one back in there. Handle makes it very easy to line it up and make sure that you're going in nice and straight. Got the idea on that. Nice little aluminum construction, knurled handle. A few various sizes for whatever you need. If you guys are in the market, go ahead and check out OMT parts on Amazon. Pick yourself up a bearing and seal driver.